Before drivers can use the Drive app to manage their hours of service and driver vehicle inspection reports, their accounts must be created and configured to meet compliance regulations. Navigate to Administration, Users. If a driver does not already have an account, click the Add button to create one. Start by creating a username for the driver. If the driver is to receive any notifications or reports via email, or if they are to create their own password, their username must be a valid email address. Enter the driver's first and last name, and if you are creating a password for them, set Force Password Change on Next Login to No and enter it. Next, select a security clearance. Drive App User is the default clearance for drivers, although administrators can create and assign custom security clearances if they wish to grant access to additional features. Set the data access to the groups appropriate for the user. Note that drivers will not be able to see or assign themselves to vehicles outside of their data access scope. Proceed to the Driver tab. Set This user is a driver and Prevent driver access to shared data to Yes. Scroll down and enter the driver's license number and license state or province. On the UI Settings tab, ensure that the driver's distance measurement system, fuel economy measurement, and time zone are set up correctly. Select the HOS Settings tab and choose the driver's hours of service rule set from the drop-down list. If applicable, enable either 24-hour restart or oil well wait time and 24-hour restart. Enter the home terminal address, and carrier number. By default, drivers only have access to the Adverse Driving Conditions exemption through the Drive app. In order for a driver to apply yard move and personal conveyance exemptions, they must first be enabled through the driver's user profile at the administrator's discretion. Finally, enter the authority name and authority address. Note that all HOS settings listed are critical for compliance, and every measure should be taken to ensure that this information is complete and correct. Click Save when complete.